undoing this sweater. It was supposed to be like Icelandic kind of pattern, but I didn't dye enough colored wool from our merinos, so I'm going to undo it and restart because I now have a lot more yarn that I will make another sweater. And with the rest of this yarn, I will make something else. I'm not sure what at this time. I do have a ball winder, but I was not at home, so I ended up doing by hand. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'll keep you posted. I would like to make a video on step-by-step knitting a sweater.